In order to be able to trade in any market, you must be able to identify which way the market is moving. Now, you can either go up or down, that is either longing or shorting the trade. The market moves in three ways. It either moves up or it moves sideways, or which it could also be called ranging or trading range, or the market moves down. Looking at the chart, you can be able to see that the market is moving up or down or sideways, but of course it's not as simple as that to be able to get in and have sharp sniper entries and when to know to buy or sell. In general, when the market moves up, and why I say in general I will explain in a moment, the market moves up making higher highs and higher lows. If this is the first high and this is the first low, this is a higher high made from the last top, and this is a higher low made from the last low, and so on. Of course, here is a line chart, but we will be always looking at candle charts, because the candle charts, the candles, they speak to us, they give us way more information than just showing us the direction that the market is moving. And why I was saying in general, when it's in an upward trend and the market is moving up, it makes higher highs or higher lows, because there are many times that the market moves up, makes a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then makes a lower high, higher low, and then continues. Or it could be not looking as beautiful as this one is, following same suit. This is for the market moving in an uptrend. When the market moves sideways, it moves like this, making the tops and the bottoms in about the same level. And this is also in general, as the market could be moving like this and coming here and going past the channel, coming back, and also going past the channel here and moving. And this is how you will learn the markets, where to buy and where to sell as we advance in the lessons. Master the basics, and once you get to the next step, it will be easier and you will be understanding the next steps easier. This is for a trading range or the market moving sideways. Now, when the market moves downwards, it is the opposite of the uptrend. This is called a downtrend. If this is the first high, this is the first low, this is a lower high because it's lower than the last top. This is a lower low because it's lower than the last low, and so on. Same thing for this. The market might not be moving so perfectly. It could be coming like this, and then making a higher low or the same level, and then coming and going down. We will be going now looking at the real charts to show you exactly how the market is moving in an uptrend, side trend, or ranging, or in a downtrend. Now we are on the charts. We're looking at the XAG USD. This is silver being traded live right now. You can see right here it says silver, and this is the line that's showing the price moving up and down. Let's look at the uptrend or market moving up right here. You can see that the market is making a high, so this being the first high, the first low, we have a higher high right here, higher low right here, higher high, and a higher low. Now, as you can see from the candles, you can easily tell that the market is moving upwards. If you look at it right here, you can see that the market is moving up. So the important part is to see also the higher lows and the higher highs, and to be able to identify them. These are important for the future lessons, to know when to get in and when to get out, for the take profits and stop losses and everything you need to know for trading. You need to master all the basics to move to the next levels. Now we're gonna look at the trading range. We're going to find a sideways market now. Right here should be good. You see this is moving like this, like this, like this, and so on. Now you can see that if this was a line, this was a line, like I was saying, everything is not moving perfectly. There is one that's lower in the channel and some coming out, but you can see that the market is moving sideways. It's obvious it's not moving up or down. It is a sideways trend. And by keeping looking at the charts and remembering these points, it will be so easy to tell as time goes on. You won't even have to think about it. You will know that naturally that the market is either moving upwards or downwards or in a sideways trend. Now we're going to try to find the downtrend. Let's see if we can find one here. Okay, right here we have a downtrend. So we see the market is moving, and coming down. So if this is the first high, first low, this is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And you can see that the market is moving downwards. They are pretty steep, so it's very easy to tell. And same thing with this. Master this, and in the future lessons you will know when to come in and when to get out, and where to place your stop losses and take profits, along with many other strategies that you will be learning, and with the other knowledge that you will combine with these. So keep watching the videos over and over as much as it's needed, and keep practicing on the chart. Even if you need to see the videos on your phone and practice on your laptop, keep doing it, along with the lesson on the candlestick and memorizing where's the highs and the lows and the shadows. Keep practicing those until you know them easily, and follow for the next lessons to come.